off the edge and fuck your bitch, don't want her back. Had to switch my lane, kick it sneaky just like rats.
Hey guys, I'm out here looking crazy because this video, I just decided to do it like literally just now. So as y'all can see, half of my head got dreads in it, half don't. That's because I'm taking out my dreads. So I decided to come give y'all a tutorial on how to take out faux locks because a lot of people don't know how to take them out, me included in that, because I was one of those people that didn't know how to take it out. Like, I had to ask Twitter how to take these out. So yeah, but that was the first time I got them, but now I know how to take them out. So I'm gonna give y'all a simple tutorial on how to take them out. I will say it's not as hard as, you know, we be thinking it is. Literally, I'm gonna take one from the side so I can see while I'm showing y'all how to do it. But basically, if you can see up here, I already like pulled some of my braids out of the dread. But that's literally the first step. So the first thing you want to do, the crochet hair, you want to slide it down as far as it could go. See, look, this one went all the way down, but you want to slide it down until you can see your real hair. So y'all see, this is my real hair. You're going to try to pull out the braid as close to the root as possible. So I'm going to pull from here, pull it out like that. Then you get you some scissors and you simply just cut the dread like that. And then you're left with this piece that's at your root. All you have to do is literally pull it. Just pull it out. Just pull it out and it's gonna come straight out. Some of them you gotta pull, but they be coming out. So again, I'm gonna show y'all again. You take a dread. You slide the wrapped hair down, slide it as far down as it could go. And then you get your real hair, pull it out like that. Get your scissors, cut. Then you take your fingers and just pull out the other hair. Like I said, some of them you gotta pull to get it out, but to make sure you're not hurting yourself, just hold. You see how I'm pinching the root of my hair? I'm pinching it and pulling out. Sorry if my background kind of noisy. They watching church and then the baby is crying, so if y'all hearing some noise, that's what it is. So again, this is my last time showing y'all because it's really self-explanatory. Yeah, the baby's crying. I hear him. So you pull, slide. Then you take, yeah, the baby is crying. Somebody made him mad. So boom, real hair. Pull it out. Cut. Pull. Booyah. And that's how you get your dreads out, y'all. Really self-explanatory, real simple. I'll come back when I'm done taking out all these dreads so y'all can see what my hair look like. But that's really it. Simple. Oh, this is how it looks when all the dreads are out. And that's it.